Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, our topic is once again arithmetic progression, which is also called arithmetic sequence. And here is our next question. It states, what is the 50th term of this arithmetic sequence 3, 7, 11, 15, on and on. So we are going to find the 50th term. So that means we are going to write down a of 50th is going to be how much? And we know that this means that this 50 means that means our n equals to 50. Just keep in your mind. And next thing is our first term is 3. So always remember a of 1 is called first term equals to 3. As you can see, we are now looking for common difference. If we go from this to the next term, we add 4. And same thing, we add consistently adding 4. That means our common difference d equal to positive 4. And here is our arithmetic progression formula that we will be using, which is called a of n equal to a of 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Let's fill in the blanks right now. We know our a of n is a of 50 that we are going to find out. We know our a of 1 is 3 plus n in our case is 50. So I'm going to fill in the blanks. 50 minus 1 and d is 4. All right, let's simplify now. So we are going to find a of 50th. So we're going to find this one. So that is going to be, I'm going to write down a of 50th equal to 3 plus 50 take away 1 is 49 times 4. Let's multiply these two terms. So 3 plus 49 times 4 is going to be 196. So 196 plus 3 is going to make 199. So that means a of the 50th is 199. Thus, our 50th term turns out to be a 199, and that is our answer. And here is our next example. It states how many terms are in this given sequence 4, 7, 10, 13, all the way to 148. When I say how many terms means we are going to find n equals to how much? And we know that our first term is a of 1 equals to 4. Let's find out what is our common difference. If we can see, we are going to add positive 3 to get next term, isn't it? The common difference is simply 3, positive 3. So d equal to positive 3. And our one more thing, just keep in your mind over here, our last term, this is our last term, which is also called a of n. So that means our a of n equal to, I'm going to write down a of n equals to 148. Just keep in your mind. And once again, this is our arithmetic sequence formula. I'm going to write it down over here. A of n equal to a of 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Let's fill in the blanks. We know that a of n is, in our case, is 148. a of 1, the very first term, is 4 plus, we don't know, and that we want to figure it out. I'm going to leave n as it is, minus 1 times d is, in our case, is 3. Let's now simplify and solve for n. So this is the very first thing I am going to do is I am going to move this 4 on the left hand side. So this becomes 148 minus 4 equal to n minus 1 times 3. 148 take away 4 is going to be a 144 equal to n minus 1 times 3. Now I am going to divide both sides by 3. So that is going to give us this 3 and 3 is gone. 144 divided by 3 is going to be 48. All right. Equals to, on the right hand side, we are left with n minus 1. Here I'm going to add 1 on both sides. And as you can see, this 1 negative 1, this is gone. So we simply ended up n equals to 49. Thus n equals to 49 means we have 49 terms in this given sequence. And here is our next question. Find n if a sub n equals to 52. In other words, nth term is 52 in this arithmetic progression 1, 4, 7, 10 and on and on. So the very first thing is we have been given is a sub n equals to 52 and we want to find n. That means we want to know what is n equals to, and we know from this sequence a of the first term is a sub 1 equals to 1, and now we want to find the common difference. As you can see, the common difference is simply positive 3, because we know if we add 3 we're going to get the next term. So D turns out to be positive 3. And here is our arithmetic progression formula. I'm going to write it down right up here. A sub n equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. Let's fill in the blanks right now. We know a sub n is 52 and we know a sub 1 in our case is simply 1 plus n minus 1. We don't know n. I'm going to just write it down, and in our case D is positive 3. Let's now simplify and solve for n. So the very first thing is, once again, I am going to move this 1 on the left hand side. So this becomes 52 minus 1 equal to n minus 1 times 3. So our next step is this simply become 51 equals to n minus 1 times 3, and now I am going to divide both sides by 3. So that is this 3 and 3, this is gone. So on the left hand side is going to give us 17 equal to n minus 1. Let's add 1 on both sides. So this is gone. So n turns out to be 1 plus 17, n equals to 18. And thus n equals to 18 is our 18th term, and which is 52, and that is our answer. And more questions are to follow in the next episode. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.